This is such fun. Downtown Williams. We're gonna go eat at the Corral.
Right here.
Is it right here? Woohoo! Awesome. Thank you. Oh, this looks so good. Liver and onions and enchiladas, and we're gonna split them. Figure out how to let Jenna in. I lost the keys. Holy shit. Everything's locked up. So Jenna had to come around to my side of the truck and help me find her keys that I had laid down in the console somewhere. So Olive Williams knows that we're here.
Yeah. Note to self.
Yes. Yes.
Don't give you the keys and I'll lock you in and start the truck. And then I'll have the keys to unlock the door.
So y'all missed the whole part of the alarm going off. Because I was like, oh, I can't find the keys. I'll open my door and see if they fell on the floor. And so,
Don't open the door because when you think
so that alarm has been going off this whole time. But anyway, we're good to go now. Bandit, you wouldn't crowd Sister Sam, would you? Sammy, are you okay?
she's like, I can't look. Get me.
O'Reilly's.